And you got GoPro of this access?
Yep, I turned around and did the loop here.
Okay.
And came back out.
Definitely gonna need a little improvement.
Just minor.
A little.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to find out how far up it goes.
Not far from the access road perspective, I
Yeah.
don't think. Although that all depends on if they want to encourage parking on the access road, which it sounded like they don't.
Right.
So otherwise, I think we're talking about, I mean, that parking lot's a couple 100 feet long.
Yeah,
So it may be about here.
Yeah.
We'll stop at the curve.